Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Shane in Tennessee on a Stryker 655. Shane got it ready to go for you, bud. Max mod regulator upgrade, ERF 2030 plus upgrade, cleaned your echo potentiometer and all the cables, and did our tune alignment. It's ready to go. RF power all the way down. 5-watt slug, 5 watts all the way down, 20 watts all the way up. Average power, hello, about 41 bird. Peak power, hello, and 80 peak. Alright Shane, Mr. 221 is ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bye bye.